What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best tire shine. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Number 5.
In our list, the number 5 product name is Chemical Guy's Super Shine Dressing for Tires. The Ultimate Protection (VRP) is an easy-to-use protectant that restores a deep black look, enhances shine, and protects vinyl, rubber, and plastic surfaces against harmful weather conditions and extreme heat. Fit type: universal fit. It's all about results. Vinyl, rubber, and plastic trim are sensitive to fading and staining caused by harmful weather conditions. VRP helps restore a like-new appearance to exterior and interior surfaces. The premium water-based cream dressing nourishes and protects to restore a deep black shine. Non-greasy water-based formula. Achieve a non-greasy deep wet look on both interior and exterior vinyl, rubber, plastic and tires with this water-based dressing. Quick and easy application with no sling and no mess. Dry to the touch formula. Premium sprayable VRP Super Shine Dressing finishes dry to the touch and will not attract dirt or dust. Easy to use premium spray keeps exterior rubber and plastic looking great in all weather conditions. The number 1 brand in car care. Beginners and professionals alike choose Chemical Guys, not only for the finest car care products, but the world-class customer support and vast detailing knowledge. Chemical Guys is more than a brand. It's a lifestyle with a worldwide following.
Number 4.
In our list, the number 4 product name is Meguiar's G13919 Hot Shine Tire Foam. Spray tire dressing. Cleans, shines, and protects in one easy step with hands-off application. Glossy tire shine. Thick, active foam powers through buildup to reveal a deep, black shine. Easy spray foam. Convenient and easy-to-use foam that stays where you spray, then dissolves clear for less mess. Simply spray and walk away. UV protection. Conditioners and UV protection help keep tires looking like new. Lasts for weeks. With water-resistant polymers, the shine lasts for weeks on end.
Number 3.
In our list, the number 3 product name is Meguiar's Endurance Tire Gel. Protects and shines tires. 1 16-ounce bottle of Meguiar's Endurance Tire Gel and tire dressing with advanced macropolymers and copolymers that endure through washing and rain for a high-gloss car tire shine that lasts for weeks. Rich gel formula. Gel eliminates runs, drips and overspray for an even, consistent shine. UV protectant. Meguiar's car tire shine protects tires against UV damage and browning to keep them looking like new. TOUs. Apply a medium amount of tire shine to clean, cool tires using a soft cloth or foam applicator, then wipe off excess. High or low shine. Apply a second coat of tire dressing for higher shine, or wipe off immediately for less shine.
Number 2.
In our list, the number 2 product name is Stoner Car Care 91094 12-ounce More Shine Tire. Restores and enhances color and shine. Stoner Car Care's More Shine Tire Finish 91094 adds a deep, dark luster to tires without making them slimy or greasy. It restores tires to a new finish and adds a protective UV barrier. Quick drying. NO Sling Tire Spray. This auto tire shine is engineered to dry on tires without needing to buff or dry them by hand. It will not run or sling onto the vehicle's paint and will not brown tires. Fast and easy to use. More shine tire finish is fast and easy to use. Simply spray it on, and that's all. The long-lasting formula will withstand several rains and will not attract dirt or grime. 75 years of excellence. Stoner Car Care has been selling car tire cleaner products and other automotive cleaners to dealerships and automotive professionals for 75 years. Our car tire cleaner is formulated by car guys, for car guys. Made in the USA, we formulate, manufacture, and distribute our own products in the USA, unlike our major competitors. We take pride in using superior ingredients to provide our customers with exceptional car care products.
Number 1.
In our list, the number 1 product name is Black Magic 5072647 Tire Wet Gel. Advanced silicone formula lasts longer and shines brighter for a wet, black, glossy look. Self-healing formula automatically fills in small scuffs to maintain shine. Weather and rinse-resistant formula lasts up to 8 weeks. Thick clinging formula adheres to tires to produce minimal sling. Applicator sponge included.